But my grandfather borrowed the money to buy out all his siblings on all the properties in town and the farm, and to build that new house about 2 months before the crash of 29. So he paid inflated dollars to his siblings, paid inflated dollars to build this house and this garage that we're sitting in. And that never should have worked. Inflated dollars, we all know about inflation now. They paid top dollar, and now dollars are worth a half or a third of what they were before. There's no way he should have been able to pay that back. My grandfather was starving to death trying to pay his siblings and very little money coming in, but he somehow made it work.